So this is, we'll go over the while loop that was written to run 50 times. Let's see what happens and how the values of the variables change as we go through the initialization statement, through the update statement, and through the testing condition. Let's start with the first. This is the initialization, right? Count is 1. So therefore, the first thing that happens is the variable count in the memory gets a value of 1. Now, the next step is the while condition. And remember, the while condition is a Boolean expression. So it actually checks, is count less than equal to 50, right? That's the check that's made here. Is count less than equal to 50? We can see no, it's not. So the condition is false, and therefore we enter into the loop body, right? Into the curly braces. So the next thing it should do is print a star, right? So that's the line that gets executed. After that, count should take the original value of count, the old value of count, and add 1 to it. And that's exactly what happens. The count that was 1 gets overwritten by 2, right? It's the same box in the memory for count that gets overwritten by 2. So that happens, and then it's a loop, right? So therefore, control goes back to, from here, control goes back to the while statement. So it again checks, is count less than equal to 50? As you can see, it's not. So therefore, what should happen is the next statement in line is the printf star. So it should print the next star, the second star. And so let's do one more step. Count gets overwritten from 2 to 3. And the condition while count less than equal to 50 is still true, and therefore it prints the third star. And this goes on. This goes on till we reach, it goes on from 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 50. Now when count is 50, it checks, is count less than equal to 50? Yeah, it's still less than or equal to 50, the condition is still true, and therefore it prints the 50th star. And then count becomes 51. Count becomes 51, goes back here and checks, is count less than equal to 50? Now the condition is false, and therefore it ends the loop. This is what happens behind the scenes in the memory, and this is what you see as the